All right, what is up, fellas? We are back with another video here, more of an update video of a couple of things. One being the giveaway, one being an idea, one being some bonus round sales that we're going to do for the giveaway. So we'll start it off with first being first, that you most likely, if you had an order, you didn't get it, and you got your notification this weekend. We got all the orders fulfilled, and you will most likely either see them prior to Thanksgiving or this upcoming weekend, Black Friday, what do they call it, Cyber Saturday, and something Monday. I don't know, what is it? Or no, I'm sorry, Small Business Monday and Small Business Saturday and Cyber Monday. So yeah, you'll probably see it there depending on where you live at. So stay tuned for that. Second one will being for the giveaway. It was technically paused again in reality because of my re-rupture. I didn't do anything with it. Just took the downtime. So the deadline date for this giveaway is now officially December 23rd. I believe December 23rd, I'm not going to look at my phone right now, is a Saturday. So I will do the live drawing that Saturday and give it away. That way, you know, it's the day before Christmas and day before Christmas Eve, so everyone should be around to watch it too. So we will get that lucky winner picked. And then I have an idea, which I'm going to get your thoughts on, which I'll probably, most likely, you all will agree on what I should do next. And we'll get to that in a second, but just to let you know, come either Wednesday or Thursday on Thanksgiving, I'll drop another video. We're going to do some crazy bonus points. And I have two brand new t-shirts coming out, two designs that we'll let run for a week or so. And then that's it. Unless they sell crazy, then I'll keep them up a little longer. One being for the big wheel guys. So, you know, don't worry. I didn't forget about you guys. We did the Fat Tire shirt, so I figured it would have to be got to do a big wheel shirt. But yeah, I'll do some crazy points like we just did. Whatever, 3-4 weeks ago, or however long ago it was when I dropped the other video before I re-ruptured my shit. So jump in on that. I mean, to be honest with you, I could probably guess that there's 100 maybe people that enter total. I'd have to actually look, but the last time I looked, I think it was under 100 or at 100. So no matter what, it's not a big, like, I should say, no matter what, your chances are way better because the limited amount of people have entered, which, you know, it's been like this for the few of them, just because I think I give away parts more than anything. So I mean, yeah, you definitely have a chance to win it. So, you know, whether you do the Fat Tire kit or you do the Big Bore kit, it'd be cool to do a Big Bore kit. Have fun for me. You know, I don't mind it. Do a nice little cubic inch, but whatever. If you want the Fat Tire, so be it. But this gets to the point of finally, when we do this giveaway, it's, you know, before Christmas Eve, then we got, you know, a week before the new year, we hit 2024. And to be honest with you, 2023 was kind of shit for me for the fact that, you know, beginning of the summer, I get sick. Like, for, I don't know if all you guys that follow the page, but actually in reality, the same giveaway ran through the summer, but it was paused because in the middle of May, I ended up getting sick. I was out for a month and almost a month, 5 weeks, I think. Had a small intestine bacterial overgrowth in your small intestines, bacterial overgrowth. Couldn't eat, lost fucking 20 plus pounds, fucked everything up, sleep, all that shit. Then to only get better from that about a week and a half in, to then rupture my Achilles the first time, which was mid-July, be in a boot, be down, not walk at all for how many weeks, to all of a sudden finding this miracle boot that I found, then getting cocky and probably getting out of the boot way too quicker than what I should have done, to then, you know, now a month and something ago, I think it was, sometime in October. I gotta look back to see. I think it was like the end of October. I gotta check back. At this point, it's just a blur. Yeah, I tripped and fucking re-ruptured my shit. And the re-rupture I don't think was as bad as the initial rupture, just because the chunk that was missing the first time on the back of my calf heel area was not as big as, you know, the first time. And that I was able to actually give gas and press upwards, like I said in the other video. But either way, it's just been a shit since May. So basically a shit 6 months having to deal with all this stuff, and I'm over it. And you know, I said fuck it, and I'm like, I think I want to go big this time. So if this giveaway ends well, which hindsight, I get some guys get salty because they didn't get their stuff right away. Doesn't matter. It doesn't change your chance to win. If I would have ran this thing through the whole summer and like kept doing sales and sales while I wasn't doing anything, then it would be a different story. But it was actually paused and you couldn't buy anything and stuff like that. So in reality, it went a little bit longer than what it should have, like, you know, by a month or 3 weeks. But we haven't had that many sales because I haven't pushed my social media side. We got a lot of bikes done and I got a lot of videos I got to edit. But either way, 2023 fucking sucked for me. So going into the beginning of 2024, I had the idea, and I've thought about it before, about buying a bike from Copart. Hopefully get a 14 or newer, touring, street glide, road glide. Copart, if you're not aware, is a salvage auction. You get in an accident with your bike, it goes to the salvage auction, and then if you have the license, you can buy it. I've done full custom builds on salvage title bikes, which in reality will be a rebuilt title bike when it's all inspected. But and then I've done just stock fat tires with air ride was our most recent one that we did, and actually I have another one for another customer that we're doing that he wanted to stay a little cheaper on the budget. So would you guys be down to do if I guess the question is, would you be down to do a giveaway for at the end of the day a rebuilt title bike? Meaning I'll make a video of us buying the bike, picking it up, the first initial, what I always do when I buy these bikes, right when we get them from the transport company, me and Macho will get power to it, start it up, make sure it runs, make sure it's all good. Then Terry, Macho's brother, comes over and details it. That way you get all the tins, all the stuff that's cosmetically bad on it off. You get all that stuff off, and then Terry details it, and we got our good base, motor, trans, engine, harness too. And then I would just take one of the stock bodies I have, throw that back on there, probably throw air ride on it, black it out, throw exhaust, throw some bars on it, and give it away. Let me know in the comments. If I do this, would you guys be down to enter this giveaway? Like I said, whatever, I'll find a 14 or a 15, 16. I'll probably do a street glide, to be honest with you, just because you can get those. They're more common than the road glide, unless I were to find a deal. We'll do the process of the build, blacken it out. Like I said, throw some air ride on it, bars and everything. Then it'll get inspected, and then it'll have a rebuilt title, technically, and it's ready for any 50 states. So you could technically buy a hat and win a bike. So if you guys are down, let me know, because I want to start 2024 off with a nice banger. We want to go hard on this one, do some killer orders, and fuck, if that one goes good, I'll do another one. We'll do it. We'll do a fat tire build or something. As long as it ends up being worth it for us over here. So drop a comment below. Don't forget hit that subscription button, subscribe button, and drop a comment and the notification bell when we do that, because that way when we drop a video, you guys will get notified and you see it. But it'll actually help the algorithm too, to make our videos pop up more for other people that don't follow us. And following us makes a big deal, because when I see that follow count go higher, that knows you guys are cool. I think 70% of the people that watch our video don't follow us. Like, just click the button and subscribe. And hey, if you don't want to follow us, at least you don't have to turn the notifications on, but if we'd like you to. So either way, hit that subscription, drop a comment, let me know what you guys think, and hit that notification bell. All right, cool. Peace.